The P&I AGD 1200 automation kit transforms garage doors into smart and comfortable solutions. With a force of 1200 Newton, this system is ideal for sectional doors up to 17 square meters, ensuring a reliable opening and closing mechanism. Benefit from remote control via the included remote controls, which allows you to access from the comfort of your car or home. Designed to work efficiently, this kit brings added safety and convenience to everyday life. The P&I AGD 1200 kit is built to withstand various atmospheric conditions with an operating temperature ranging from -26 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. This robust design guarantees long-lasting functionality regardless of climate changes. With efficient LED lighting that activates for 3 minutes, users can benefit from visibility and safety around the garage door even in the darkest moments. Installing the P&I AGD 1200 kit is a simple process with all the necessary accessories included in the package. The clear and detailed user manual ensures that each step is easy to follow, and the included parts such as the 110 cm rail and the connecting parts facilitate quick and efficient assembly. In addition, with the help of the included remote controls, integrating the system into everyday life is immediate and without complications.